Hello students, we will see today the seventh lesson, motion, force and work. What is meant by motion? What causes changes in motion? Answer is displacement of an object from one place to another in a specific time is called motion of that object. When we have seen that a changes occurs in motion or the shape of the body when force act on it. Now let us see how work is done when a force act. Distance and displacement. Let us we see the distance and displacement. For example, Ranjit's house is at a place A. The figure along with shown the distance transferred by Ranjit to reach his school at D. If we do not take direction into account, we find that Ranjit transferred distance equal to AB plus BC plus CD. I repeat, Ranjit transferred distance equal to AB plus BC plus CD. However, on doing this, his displacement was equal to AD. However, on doing this displacement was equal to AD. Ranjit's displacement from his house to the school is shown in the picture with the brown line. AD. AD is the
Minimum.
maximum between along a straight line from Ranjit's house to the school. It is the maximum distance transferred in a particular direction along a straight line. It is called displacement. Please decide this what is the definition of displacement. The maximum distance. The unit of measurement of distance and displacement is the meter in SI as well as in MK system of measurement. There are two types, vector quantity and scalar quantity. So it is a vector quantity. We should know the unit. So it is a formula of velocity is equal to displacement divided by period of time required for the displacement. Velocity is equal to displacement divided by period of time required for the displacement. Now let's see the second part, speed and velocity. Do you understand all things that displacement? When a speed is taken into account, the direction is not specified. If a car is moving with a speed of 40 km per hour, then specify its direction is not needed. But while predicting a storm motion, its direction is always mentioned. The unit of speed and velocity is meter per second. Recite it all that. I repeat it. The unit of speed of velocity is meter per second. It is the example. You will get it that the meaning of the example. What is the speed? What is their account of the speed? And how we predicting the storm of motion. It always mentioned the unit of speed and velocity is meter per second. What is meant by speed? Let us see. The answer is this. The distance transferred by object in unit time is called the speed of that object. The distance is transferred by object in unit time is called the speed of the object. What is the formula of calculating speed? How we calculate the speed? So it is speed is equal to distance transferred divided by the time required for transferring the distance. You should recite the formula. How to calculating speed? Speed is equal to distance transferred, time required for transferring the distance. And third type is that average velocity and instantaneous velocity. We'll see the two type of velocity, what is average and what is instantaneously velocity. Average velocity and instantaneous velocity. What is the difference is the velocity of an object can change even while it is moving along a straight line. So the formula is that average velocity is equal to displacement divided by total time. So it is the formula of that. And the velocity of particular moment of time is called instantaneous velocity. It may be different at different times. It is different at different times. So it is called instantaneously velocity. Average velocity displacement upon total time. So you should recite this formula, average velocity and instantaneous velocity. Let's see acceleration. When it is called positive and negative, that acceleration we will see the change in velocity with reference to time is called acceleration. The change in velocity with reference to time is called acceleration. This is a vector quantity. When the velocity rises, the acceleration is positive. And when it is declining, the acceleration becomes negative. You should decide that. You should understand. If velocity is not changed, then the acceleration is zero. Listen carefully. Velocity is not changed, then acceleration is zero. And the formula of acceleration, change in velocity divided by time taken for changes. I repeat again, acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken for the changes. So it is the acceleration, how the change of velocity. Thank you.